Okay. Now, we'll see each other on Tuesday. Again, when will we see each other? Tuesday. And that's November 3.
Ikaw, nasan yung magic wand mo?
Ayan.
Nasaan?
So, I think your mommy said you are ready. Okay, goodbye, Tita Sa. Goodbye, Tita Kat. Goodbye, Tita Chef. Goodbye, classmates. See you all on Tuesday. God bless you. Let's hold your pumpkin basket.
No, the other one is
Number 1, Gerard.
that one, G.
Okay, number 2, Miss.
May gusto niyo candy?
Number 4, Daniel. Where's your basket?
Number 5, Jello. Jello, come here. Mahal by number tayo. Wait. Jello. Bye-bye, Jello.
Next is Gideon.
Six, Gideon. Mix
Gideon.
right there.
Come here, come here.
7, Orion Passy.
Next, Ian.
Sit beside me. Wait for you.
Basket na lang po.
Go, mahal. Sit there. 7, 9, 10, 6.
See you on Tuesday. Next, ladies and 11 rows.
Candy?